Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for stopping by. I'm so excited about this video. In this video, I am styling my niece's hair for back to school, and it was such a fun time. So as you can see, we have all of the lock jewelry. I have my butterfly lock prep. This is Water Wave Hair by Free Tress, 22 inches. And we begin the butterfly locks. So you guys, this video is all about adorning your locks, all about elevating that hairstyle to the next level, okay? So I'm gonna begin using this silver glittery string. And by the way, I just wanna add, my babies told me exactly what they wanted, so I did exactly that. They got to choose, what jewelry they wanted in their hair, what hair accessories they wanted. And we went from there. As you can see, I'm just taking that string and I'm wrapping it around her butterfly lock, over and under, and making sure that I crisscross as I go. So moving right along, guys, as you can see, here's my next niece, giving her a good wash. I pre-parted her hair. That just makes things 10 times easier. If you ever want to do any type of braid styles, cornrows, anything like that, pre-part the hair, and it just makes it easier. You know what you're working with. And for her, I did larger parts. I felt like it was just more age appropriate for her since she is younger. I just want to say butterfly locks are just age appropriate for anybody. Little girls, grown women. This is the perfect style. It's so beautiful. And you can rock it any kind of way you like. For her, we chose to do, she wanted the string in the front, like her big sis. She just wanted pink and blue. And I guess it's just a TikTok thing. She was going with the TikTok logo. So that's what we did. And she also wanted 2 pigtails like her big sis as well. This came out so super cute. So here we are with the last style. This is the big sis. So she wanted 2 buns, and I've done this style before on my YouTube channel. So if you want to see the full tutorial on how to do this style, go check out my video. She does have locks. I started her locks last year in August, so she is finally officially 1 year locked. So as you can see, we are doing the string again, but we're using gold this time. She wanted gold and silver accessories, so that's what we did here. So after we were done adding the gold string, we began adding the gold and silver hair accessories. And this just upped it, elevated the style to a whole nother level. That is all, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to follow me at nadianice.hair on Instagram, and comment, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.